Welcome to our channel. We are creating Abacus self-learning simple videos. Watch our videos and learn Abacus easily. Value bar. Unit dot. Lower bead, each bead value 1. Upper bead, bead value 5. Say the numbers as it appears in the abacus. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say the numbers as it appears in the abacus. Draw the beads as it appears in the abacus. Draw the beads as it appears in the abacus. Stay tuned for more Abacus self-learning videos.
At Prodigy Academy, we are giving Abacus training to teachers and homemakers, also providing opportunity to start up your own Abacus center. It takes only little investment. Join us in empowering students.